Welcome to our channel UK Visa and Immigration Updates. On September 1, 2025, the Home Secretary announced a temporary halt to new applications for the refugee family reunion route. The government stated that this pause is in effect while they develop new regulations, which are expected in spring 2026. The pause started on the 4th of September at 3 p.m. From this point, no new refugee family reunion applications can be made. Applications submitted before the deadline will still be processed. To bring a partner or child to the UK, individuals with refugee or humanitarian protection status must meet the stricter requirements of the existing immigration rules. What is the refugee family reunion route? This is the route that allows a person with refugee or humanitarian protection status in the UK to apply for their partner and children to join them. Unlike the standard spouse visa route, it does not require them to meet income or English language test requirements. What does the pause mean in practice? Until new rules are introduced, refugees can no longer use the family reunion route. Family members must meet stricter immigration rules, just like other people applying to join family in the UK. What applications can you make instead? Applications for a spouse to join you can be made under Appendix FM. Applications for children will be made under different rules for children. What are the new rules refugees must now follow to bring family to the UK? Financial requirements. If you're applying under Appendix FM as a partner, you may have to demonstrate that you are able to financially support yourself and/or any dependent children who will be coming to join you in the UK. You will need to show that you are earning at least £29,000 per year. You may be able to meet this minimum income threshold through a variety of ways, such as income from employment, cash savings, passive income, or pensions. Note that you will be exempt from meeting the financial requirements if you are in the UK in receipt of certain benefits, such as mentioned below. If this applies to you, then you will have to prove that you meet the adequate maintenance requirement. Accommodation requirements. Prove you have arranged suitable housing without relying on public funds. Accommodation must be suitable for the size of family you have and not be overcrowded. English language requirements. When applying under Appendix FM, you may also have to prove that you can speak and understand English to the minimum expected levels. This will normally involve taking an approved English language test at a certified test center close to where you live. You will be exempt from the language requirement when applying under Appendix FM if any of the following apply to you. You're applying as a child. You're over 65. You have a physical or mental condition that prevents you from meeting the requirement. You're from a majority English-speaking country. If you need to take an English language test, you must normally pass it at A1 level or higher on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR, in order to be granted entry clearance to the UK. Cost of visa application. Under Appendix FM, sponsors and/or family members are expected to pay for a UK family visa. Fee waivers do exist under the rules for those who can prove they cannot afford the fees, but they are not guaranteed and depend on an applicant's financial circumstances. The cost to apply for a UK visa from outside the UK is £1,938. The cost to switch to a family visa from inside the UK or extend your permission, is £1,321. Additional fees include the Immigration Health Surcharge, IHS, which is a mandatory payment to use the National Health Service, NHS, for medical emergencies and GP appointments. It costs £1,035 per year for an adult, or £776 for a child. The fee must be paid per person for the entire duration of a visa permission in the UK, which for a family visa is 2 years 9 months from outside the UK, meaning as an adult you must pay the IHS for 3 years, costing £3,105. Perhaps one of the only benefits to the system change is for refugees who qualify to meet the requirements. They may be able to speed up processing and reunite with their family faster using priority service. Priority service is available in some countries outside the UK and costs £500 for a decision on a family visa application within 30 days. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get timely notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.